How to start a welding business. A welding business is a lucrative business to venture into today. I will be taking you through how to start a welding business and the necessary requirements you need to have or consider before venturing into the business. Learn how to start your own welding business and whether it is the right fit for you. Number 1. Complete your training. If you have not already done so, you need to complete your training and certification in welding from an accredited school. Number 2. Get your welding and business licenses. Number 3. Buy your welding tools. Number 4. Find local clients. There are things you need to consider before setting up a welding business. Number 1. Getting your welding equipment. Some of the factors to consider when getting equipment are the cost of accessories that come along with buying the machine, as well as the availability of spare parts in Kenya. It is also good to look at the authenticity of the company selling as well as the warranty of the machine. The best warranty on offer currently is 2 to 3 years. Also, beware of counterfeit and cheap machinery. Go for companies that are recognized. Lastly, buy equipment suitable for the kind of work you will be doing. You need to know the different types of welding available. Number 2. Getting your metal. Metals used in welding include steel, aluminium, alloy, copper, etc. It all depends on the product you want to make, as different items require different metals. Products could range from jikos, window grills to chaff cutters. Identify a reputable company that you can source your metals from. Number 3. Location. Ensure you are as close to the road as possible, since it is most likely that you will be working on big and heavy products. Clients need to know that they can easily access you. Keep up with trending designs. If you are setting up a metal fabrication business, it's advisable that you specialize in making specific products as opposed to shaping and bending anything metallic. Perfect your art and always keep yourself updated on emerging trends. If you make gates, for instance, ensure you know the latest designs. 5. Marketing. Social media has made marketing much easier. Take good shots of your product and post them online along with details such as your location, the price, and contact number. Also, encourage your clients to recommend your product to their friends, as the referral number is the number one marketing tool in such a business. Number 6. Pricing. Since you are new to this field, make sure to conduct research. Find out how much other metal fabricators charge for their services and products. You don't want to be the new kid on the block charging way more than the established ones when you still have a lot to prove to the clients. Strike a balance between being affordable and making a profit at the same time. As you start, you have to make a plan for your business. A clear plan is essential for success as an entrepreneur. It will help you map out the specifics of your business and discover some unknowns. A few important topics to consider are: what are the startup and ongoing costs? Who is your target market? How much can you charge customers? What will you name your business? Luckily, we have done a lot of this research for you. Number 1. What are the costs involved in opening a welding business? When starting a welding business, some costs such as shop rent if you don't have a store of your own, insurance, tools, electronics, mobile service options, and personal protection equipment must be considered. Minor equipment can be purchased for little cost, but you'll need to expand your inventory as more projects are approached. You will need to learn about the materials and equipment you'll need to start a welding business, how much to budget, and where to make purchases. Number 2. Who is the target market? The best clients and customers are those with ongoing welding needs. While you can conduct single projects, you're better off engaging clients who manage commercial machinery. Among your many clients, several will be incredibly profitable. The best jobs a welding business can undertake are mega yacht repair, marine equipment fabrication, architectural iron modification, aircraft repair and remanufacturing, cruise ship services, and restaurant equipment repair. Because commercial providers need to meet certain industry standards, they are incredibly profitable. Welding clients can extend to farm equipment owners, other welding shops, silo tank providers, and even steel dairy equipment providers. Number 3. How does a welding business make money? Most welding businesses make money by performing small projects. They can, however, make a lot of money by engaging long-term projects. Because a welding company's best providers are normally marine equipment providers, a lot of service is needed to prevent rusting and water damage. A welding company also makes money by making metal modifications and repairs. If a company's machinery breaks, a welding business will be called to examine the surrounding problems. It may also contact a separate repair team, taking charge with metal repairs and needed fabrications itself. Number 4. How much profit can a welding business make? A well-established welding service provider can gain yearly profits of about $70,000. A highly successful welding business, meanwhile, can make 6 figures easily. Number 6. How can you make your business more profitable? Every period of work time should be budgeted. A poorly drawn business plan is believed to be the number one cause of welding business failure. Know what you can afford and prioritize your customers. Don't buy personal toys, that is the welding equipment, before you need it. Focus on getting the business in the door and find the best customers who need your services. From startup independent jobs to multi-billion-dollar contracts, you'll need to be a good face-to-face negotiator. Choosing the right name is important and challenging. When registering a business name, we recommend researching your business name by checking your state's business records, federal and state trademark records, social media platforms, and web domain availability. It's very important to secure your domain name before someone else does. Now that we have given you an insight on how to start your welding business, to get a full course on how to start this kind of business and manage the business, register and study with us at finstockavarsity.com. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit on the notification button so that once we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.